Tonight, scammers are going to new lengths to steal your money.
Yeah, they tried to get into a man's bank account in our area. Tonight, he shares his story in the hope that it doesn't happen to any of us. Fox 23's Jace Verhoeven is live in our newsroom with a Solving Problems report. Hey, Jace.
You know, scam artists use emails and letters which claim that someone has left you millions of dollars, but the only way to collect those millions is to first pay a few $1,000s in taxes. You might have heard this one before, but here is the twist tonight. Some of the emails actually refer to someone's former roommate or perhaps a neighbor. Well, scammers use names that you'll know to try and seem more legit. The scam artists might also send certificates or copies of what looks like their ID cards. In most cases, those documents are fake, and they're created using a simple computer program. So don't be fooled when scammers use familiar names. Using voting records or the telephone book, it is easy to find names of people close to you. So when someone contacts you online, check with your bank to make sure everything is legit before you send any money. Solving Problems, Jace Verhoeven, Fox 23 News.
And some more information for you. Thank you, Jace. The FBI has a list of common scams. If you'd like to see that list, just go to fox23.com, look on the left side of the home page, and simply click on link.